Hey guys, Kevin again, and today we're still talking about this 034004 error. We also have a link of other videos dealing with this error. I'm going to put a link above. Here's Abby.
Hey guys, it's Abby here. We had a 034004 error. This one isn't too hard to solve. We have a paper jam here. If you don't see the paper in the scanner, pull out that back duplexer. If that paper's in there, give it a good hard yank. That's the culprit right there for the error. I gave it a good hard yank here, and I ended up actually shaking the camera a little bit, but that's okay. Once you get that out, go ahead and put that duplexer back into the printer and then plug it back in. I needed to plug it back in, and I needed to try to run the printer again just to see if this fixed my error. What was going on with my printer was the carriage that was holding all of the ink cartridges, it was going very slow, and it was getting stuck when it would go to the far right side. So I needed to see if that would work. It goes slow, but I sped it up here a little bit just to see, and I had to wait a little bit to see if it would throw that error code again, but it didn't. So I was pretty happy that we got that fixed. So it's a pretty easy fix here. Happy printing.